So, ladies and gentlemen, the flashlight, jam your hands together, make some crazy lousy noise as I bring on stage MC Dekola Uncut. We outside. Let's go. Let's go. Ladies and gentlemen, we are out here crazy times, is what we do.
I've been writing this story.
Let go.
I know be OG, but if you ask them know me. I know they blow trees, only lonely me low.
Music chose me,
just know they know me.
Let's go.
I'm lonely, but I'm never lonely.
Báyìí bá ti ń yé ìṣọ̀lá ká máa sáwọn ní ọ̀pọ̀ àgbà láti sọ fáìnàlì ó ti kúrò ní ìtàjíyá ìṣọ̀lá dọ́ọ̀dẹ̀ mọ́.
Thank you all. Please you can be seated. Please jam your hands together for yourself. Jam your hands together for yourselves. Thank you for coming out tonight. I promise this performance, if you are depressed before coming here and it's serious depression, I promise you by the time you leave here, you'll be more depressed. Because I'm about to say some crazy things. If you are below 18, start going home now. You're all welcome to Crazy Times. Ladies and gentlemen, this time tough. Almost everybody where they here, will buy tickets from me. I know say now because say, when I don't want to talk no. This time mad to the point that, see, even comedian they depressed. Life is funnier. Elon Musk, richest man in the world. Elon Musk, he tweets tough times. So who are you? You got no one thing with Sapa. Sapa they come with mood swing. You know say we no get money. Now small thing they think. Anybody where you see, we no get money, we come their house, come they look silly. Now all pishy they think. And there's one thing about Sapa. You know say now when you dey happy, if you dey hear song, you dey vibe. You dey vibe to the song. But when you dey sad, the lyrics you dey understand them. For example, now you get one song. When DJ play them now, all of them go vibe like say on a day club. Make we sing them together. We will come do the depression part 2. DJ, you get that sometimes food no they give man joy. Play them.
Sometimes food no they give man joy.
Wait, now when I will like the song, sing along. I'm a shanky, but no lose that. No, laughing bullshit. While I go we are not singing though. Hey, cause I know what suffer later. Now every time I did. Wait, now DJ, wait. Now I want make una come talk the lyrics the way you go understand. They talk one by one. Make the lyrics they enter your head. Now small, start that thing again.
Sometimes food no they give
Man joy, but Canadian loud the feeling. I'm a shanky, but no lose gati. Loru laughing bullshit. While life gone hard, a man no want to do bad. Cause I no want suffer later. Wait, shey you know say some people dey here with me I know. If not because of Yoruba film wey they don't watch, and because they don't want die early, therefore don't do money ritual. They interview one man, say what he for do? If not be say they think God. Wait, you get that man? That man when they interview say what he for do? If not be say now God save him. What's that man do?
I'm telling you, look at my face, like I could have killed a lot of people.
This is not play. You know what was about this Sapa? Bitcoin come 4. Everybody go they post BTC. You know what they invest in? People will post BTC. Pass Binance customers. Even person will not get wallet. BTC. And you know this country, we they like make we they suffer together. Some people come post say, thank God, Bitcoin should enter $1. Let us start afresh. Like, and you know say that this Nigeria, this time we're crazy now. If you buy car, post them online, specific go comment section, tag comment at official EFCC. Ask them where you see money. This Nigeria will be say, you know say 2020, that time useless, COVID-19 time. People they do useless giveaway. You could just see one momo. What year did they do the amalgamation of the Northern Protectorate and Southern Protectorate? 50K for winner, idiot. If you say who is the first woman to fry akara in Akure? 2020. Now Twitter. Person go just post. Comment under this post. If nobody likes your comment in the next 1 hour, I will give you 20K. Nigerians, they go like your comment. Everybody will like your comment. The day where I shock, you get one guy, he comment say anybody that like this comment will die untimely. People like the comment, they when they reply, now you go die untimely. One person say, I will not die untimely in the mighty name of Jesus. You just not play. People they crazy for this country. Another thing for this country where happen now election. I know they like to talk about election. How many of you follow that or should state election? Portable. That guy get problem. APC paid you to come and campaign for the state governor. They paid him 12 p.m. He do video. He did do video beside governor, we pay him. What he bizarre for wow. Okay, you don't make us to say then pay him 12 p.m. 5 p.m. He do video. They tell us story about Tinubu. You get that video? When they talk about Tinubu, that guy, play him.
Yàrá ya ẹnikẹ́ni. Tọ́ba tẹ̀wọ́ fún ẹ kó ṣiṣẹ́ o. Wá irú àwa to dey bring money. You no understand? Nígbà kan ti sanwó fún mi kí n bú Tinubu. Nígbà protest ìgbà yẹn. Nígbà yẹn ni o. Nísìn APC ti sanwó kí n máa sọ pé àkóyè Tinubu. So tọ́ba sanwó fún ẹ kó ṣiṣẹ́ no repeat. Ẹ̀jọ̀ sàn ìgbà kan ìsanwó fún mi pé kí n bú Tinubu. So mo gbowó iṣẹ́ mi gbà.
Wait.
So now
If they tell us say them pay him to do the job. Tọ́ba sanwó fún ẹ kó o ṣiṣẹ́ àkóyè. Now that one no be my problem. You know where that guy get problem. You know Nigerians they say where anything will happen na grace. When Portable blood they shout grace, grace, grace. Edis nominated him for 2 categories. Some people here, una favorite artist don't even get nomination for the Edis. Kizani get nomination. No, like some people are supporting Kizani, but they don't talk now. Burna Boy get nomination. Now, Portable get 2 Edis nomination. People don't vote for Rambo. People don't vote for Ram. The vote is going on smoothly. One afternoon, you just wake up. You just carry phone, do video again. You got a video where they threaten this. That guy.
Of the year, SWG ni Zazu. Everyone shaka. Your son ain't reach my son. Say that if you waka, you dey spend money, say they know you. Say they know you for street, they know you for trenches. Say that if you call your name, if you dey pass, you say wait. Now me still get best rookie of the year. Only me know Zazu, who know Aboki, Hausa, Igbo, who know my son, you buy the feel out, even though I was with the shop up, I'm a Londoner, I may go back, I want the money for a book, and the bag is name, and call a panic. I can't cook, it's a quick. I know, if it's the end for me. If it's I award where before, no go give my word for another person.
That guy, now bastard. That Portable guy. Now big bad. Now, may we even leave. Say you know say now, online now, everybody they fear to campaign for who they want vote for. You know say now, the strongest force online now Whiskey FC. Because see, if Whiskey wake up one morning, wear only pants. Whiskey FC go tell you say, nice top. If Whiskey go studio now, he cough 3 minutes. Whiskey FC go tell you say that's the best jam of the year. Now, see this guy now. Anybody now we gonna talk, we gonna campaign for that farmer. Like I think that man. Now I Greek that man study. And it's nothing. Farmers will make more money. What's it concern now? Farmers will make more money. Anybody will campaign for that man now. Then they collect. Even some of them will say, "Una papa be APC." If you post Peter Obi in your house, you will go lodge for some bet. Cause I don't know if person post Tinubu for Twitter, everybody go attack him now. Or $10, Femi or $10. Post one picture with Tinubu. Or $10 the billionaire. Post picture with Tinubu. Caption him. I wish you success in your electoral pursuit, my friend. Or $10 for Twitter. One guy comment. If you like, sell your vote for 10K. Your children will suffer. Or $10. Like they don't want you. He get one guy. You get one guy for this big brother. Be like I be the current head of house now. Hello, lolo. That guy, he wear one top. The right be obedient and useful. They say that Peter Obi they can pay for. People see him the face for Twitter. Now that they don't say, be like say no be only Peter Obi get this apple. People tell that guy, they say then disqualify the guy. Man, disqualify the guy. Nothing happen. Back to Portable. That guy. Now, you know say Portable, people don't like him. You know say that Portable glory in here. He get some artists. That's the way Portable they do. Where go they do nonsense? If some artists try him, people go forget them. Now this Portable now. We wake up, he don't say anything do. He can't sing song for Tinubu. How many of you don't hear that song Portable sing for Tinubu? Emilokan. You never hear that Emilokan song where Portable do for Tinubu? You get that song? Play him. You see lyrics. Hear lyrics. Say this jam.
Mi ò máa gbógun láyé ìgbà tí mò ń bọ̀ wá sáyé mi bá ti mú kàlà wáyé mo gbàgbé kí n má dá táì àdàbí àdá wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ mi láyé dá rípadán rípáyà kìlọ̀ ojú kọ́lé.
Wait, he say rípadán rípáyà kìlọ̀. How that was then you need to people can't hate him with that way do. People call they abuse him. Portable before you know say Portable if you they follow Portable for Instagram. Portable they post for Instagram, listen, I WhatsApp status. If you post 200 things in a day, people can't 8 times. Nobody can't do anything. Baba can't enter studio. You get this song?
God, you are Lego.
That guy, if you enjoy yourself, you know, clap for yourself, clap for yourself. Now, that one come pass. That one come pass. Ladies can't they kill men. Girls can't they kill their boyfriend. Cut their boyfriend penis. Two different things. You go see one girl, maybe they cheat on them. Break laptop. You get one girl, she bought the whole house. People can't gather. You can't get one guy for you see Nigerians, anything. Nigerians are opportunists. You can't get one guy for Twitter, Shola. You can't say he want organized class on how not to be a simp and how to be stingy to women. Same way will pay for the class $200. Me when no stingy to woman, I don't spend $200. I know how stupid thing about this life. Some men pay them. You know, say a man they do man. You go get one fine girl when you like. When they follow talk, one man will just send the girl 200K. You see those way they talk. They don't oppress them. Now, broke boys can't gather. Say what if you do. This woman that they oppress us. What can we do? One day, that's the first day I will see broke boys unite. They say when it's 11 p.m. Let's post. She was nice. How many of you see that she was nice that day? Everywhere she was nice, she was nice, she was nice, she was nice, she was nice. But people post that, you know. Girls come they enter my DM. What? Who was nice? Who is she? This one. I said I don't know. I said I don't say she nice. Later, they change her because they hear she's a new cop girl. She thief my polo. She thief my top. Are you mad? I don't say this life. Not be everything where they post now you go repost. Cause later. This is where they talk. They got to say they want to do World Girlfriend's Day, August 1. I remember where the July 31. Mumu, where does me do she was nice? Come gather us. Say when it's 11 p.m. Let us post I am single. So that guests don't go feel ask us gifts the next day. I first come on the group. Not be say I know if you post say I am single, but again we go verse if I post that. Now, that one, he can't pass. The one where crazy pass, where mad pass. He touch everybody for year. One afternoon, I just open my phone. I thought they see Jesus. Now, Toy first poster. Jesus, Toy post Jesus. What did happen? Everywhere, Jesus. Baba, I'm not gonna let me say I post them. I post them. I can't fear everybody. I say, you know, these 3 minutes where I post and started speaking tongues. I don't want you to say Jesus. Come WhatsApp. I don't follow up. I got the post Jesus. My brother, you know this 15 minutes. Trust Nigerians now. Shonko, Ailala, Ogu, Machala, Starboy, Vado. Later, President spoiler. Cash up. Wow. People are crazy in this country. You even get one time, people come broke. People broke. Even me broke, but no be financially, now mentally. So it can't affect financial part. People come broke. People can't borrow money. If you just see one sure guy where you know, taker, just call you. Hello, please. I don't know if you can lend me a small loan. You say okay, how much? Like 50k. 50k small loan. And nobody nice rich who won't borrow money. He doesn't want to borrow money from you on phone. Person want borrow money from you on phone. We just call you. Hello, bro. Good afternoon. They can smile unnecessarily. Good afternoon. Now you go there and say, why are you smiling? No, your voice is just funny this afternoon. How are you? Please, are you at home? You say yes. If who want borrow money come your house, you go to play with dog. Because you want borrow money. Bingo. I just fresh you. Who want borrow money? Now that one normal. You don't see people who they borrow money from loan app, palm credit. These guys will literally ask you for your mother's maiden name, your father's middle name, your house number, how many houses are in your street, if there's a neighbor pole in your area, if there's any sickness in your family. They ask all those things from you. You still borrow money from them. You still wrong. You get mine though. How many of you hear that guy where borrow money? Where they call? You get that video? That guy play him. Secrets.
14,400. They think make you never pay.
Calm down. Now Abu Bakr, you they even spoil this name. Why they do like this? I don't like
Abu Bakr, when you they pay your money for
like the way they do.
You get
Why
okay?
they spoil my name?
Yo.
Are you okay?
Okay, calm down now. You don't turn doctor. You ask me about my head. I'm fine.
Are you okay?
And you, how are you doing?
Abu Bakr, your loan with palm credit 14,400. When are you making your payment?
My loan with palm credit 14,400. I'm not making my payment. Come and do what you want to do.
That guy mad. Like, what did they Apple make person borrow money? That's what's going on. Another one will come Apple. Sure, you know, say this mini lockdown when we get here, people discover things. So, also I've been on strike for like 6 months now. I can't discover. Say I even get singing talent. Nobody even smile. So that career is dead on arrival. And the team say, "They wait, make you drop EP, make I drop my own." Freestyle or what? Check which Yansh. Are you mad? Chat, I get to find out with it. Mickey. But so yeah, really. Like people go they discover new things now. You know, say people don't realize say money they online. People go they go into this YouTube, TikTok things. Now you know say you get this kind see finish. What you go get for your friend? She go post video for YouTube. You go see. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to introduce you. You'll be like, Kilo Shady Dini. You will just swipe. And if you are here, you are a lady. And when Kelly was trending, you did not hate on Kelly. Let me see your hand. You did not beef Kelly. When she was trending, let me see your hand. Even who no get soft yansh, they beef Kelly. You know, say that Kelly video. Not be say the yansh too big. Sir. I like the way you are contributing your opinions on Bom Bom, but you can't take class. Because of Yansh now, we just so English. The thing be say, person where they follow talk inside darkness, so I don't really know who we be. Now, you see all this problem where I don't list. You see everything where I don't list. You see, say problem in this country. Only thing we concern some people. Now relationship matter. You just see one jobless girl or boy one day just post WhatsApp link. Hi, this is Ofofo TV. Are you having relationship issues? Do you want to ask questions about your relationships? Here the verse me. Do you want experts to advise you on what to do in your relationship? Add up this number. We post every night 8 p.m. We will attend to you. You go to see different nonsense. Add the number. You go just see one stupid boy. Go just post. I OPOR TV. My girlfriend wants us to have sex twice every day. What should I do? You go see one girl. Go just say, I OPOR TV. My boyfriend does not like my mother. What can I do? You go just say another stupid comment. I OPOR TV. My boyfriend is always asking for anal sex. What should I do? You know, what did they advise me? Now single people they advise them. One useless single person will just drop comments because you see, I tell her to leave him alone. Any man that want to have anal sex with you can definitely have sex with a goat. Do not let any man spoil your life. You can say another person, tell her to go. She does not deserve you. You deserve better. You are a king. The day we are shocked, now one person comment. Tell the both of them that it shall not be well with them. We are facing too many problems in this country, and when next you post any senseless thing here, I'm going to block you and destroy you. You know the one way crazy pass. Now the day we want married woman come report her husband. I don't know people problem. She just OPOR TV. My husband family maltreat me. They ask me to wash plates. I cook. They tell me my food is salty. They maltreat me. I wash. I don't know say that OPOR TV. Now just love her sister. If you see cost, person ask you say, how do I save my marriage? Because they swear for them. Kò ní dá fún ọkọ yẹn. Sọ fún ọkọ yẹn gèmé dúró máa wó pa. But now, seriously, I feel like when you say Sapa Date Town, when you say you broke, you don't say brokenness get level. Person if you don't say broke now, may get 1 million. I feel say I broke now. You don't vote it. You know say this Elon Musk we post tough times. The man a bastard though. The man go build hotel for mass. Not be art, he come on art. As the okuro like he go mass, go build hotel. For that hotel, if you want lodge overnight, $5 million. In naira, that's 3.5 billion naira. Me we lodge for Akure yesterday, 10K. Now they are told me this. If I lodge for a hotel, 3.5 billion for mass. Come on, my God, if I wake up, I go teach the whole planet. Teach Elon Musk. Carry out Ibadan. I go name a mass hotel challenge Ibadan. You don't want me. You know how much it be. Now this one is for the ladies. You are here, you are a lady. I want you to imagine something real quick. Make I go tell them for some. You change their two will. You are you mad? For I tell you that some view. Mokpa logo here. Now you are a lady here. I want you to imagine something. Just imagine. No, I just play. Just imagine. Imagine say you dey on your period. Eh? Oh Mali, imagine say you dey on your period. One afternoon you can't sleep. Eh? As you sleep, you can't dream. Inside your dream, you back one baby, the baby they cry. Inside your dream. For your aunt, another baby can't dey. Twins, you can't dey pet them. Stop crying, stop crying, stop crying. You know those useless songs now? Stop crying, stop crying. Immediately, you just wake up. As you wake up, you dey sweat. Person just knock the door. Ko, mommy twins, they can't so. Wait till. Now, wait till they verse me about boys. All these small Yahoo boys. Boy go start Yahoo on Monday. On Thursday, everybody don't want to meet. As I did like this, make person look me. Make I tell person something. Make one tell me, okay, bro. Make they tell me, okay, BRR. Okay, bro. Anybody, if you tell me, brah, I will score slap you for you. Are you mad? What kind of rubbish is that? If they tell me, okay, brah, make sure finish. Like, I don't know what they do now, assets. You can just see what. Make I not mention the name. For this Ondo state. If they don't buy clothes like this for boutique, maybe they buy one 50K top. 50K actually. I want 10 kg. They call poor and confusing American assets. Your MFs and what shit. In it. With a miss accent to UK at the America. Your MFs and what shit. In it. But now in your Lua on Mali. Stop playing. See, that's the best me. And what's the best me more? Now ladies, see, I want to talk this thing. I don't care any code where I break, I go talk am. Say, you know, say if you get bestie of the opposite sex. This joke go help you because I'm going to call your girlfriend with that. If you get bestie of opposite sex, there is 90% chance or possibility that guy have feelings for you. There's 90%. This joke now for people who get sense. So now, if you get bestie of opposite sex, only thing just be say, if no one ask you out because of one or two things, but not be say no get feelings for you at all. Now girls gonna do this rubbish challenge on TikTok. Maybe you even get feelings for the girl. Now your bestie, you could just see one stupid message one day, the girl will just send you, Kunle, if I sleep naked beside you, will you touch me? You could just see the useless boy. You could just comment, me I will touch you. I will even do more than touching you. Me I will shift your pint. Now the next day like this, you could just see your video for TikTok and again one mumu in like this when they talk. You could just see. So I tried this with my friends yesterday. You could just see. Kule, if I sleep naked beside you, will you touch me? You could just see your comments. Me I'll touch you. Make God won't punish you when you can't do voice notes join. When you can't talk, say, me I'll do many things to you. I will use my teeth to off. Now, let me round up with this. If MC still want, we still have after party for those what's behind. Now, say you know, say our fingers are not equal. But why must you be the shortest finger? Why? Girl go ask you money. Maybe your babe or your friend or something. And then you go send that money. Not be their fault actually. That farmer man. You go send that money. Maybe you said you can't useless. You said get 2K. You can't say capture. You said the receipt. Can't say capture. I have transferred the funds, baby. So go just you get where's that man talk? Save ASAP.
For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know.
Say it say now. The thing. He come back. They say the guy put on to song. You get this.
For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Reflex. Is it for beans? I don't know.
Hey.
For what? Is it for Eba? Is it for Gary? Is it for beans? I don't know. Eba, Gary, beans.
Hold on.
In Sapa.
In Omali. All right. Now I want to say something real quick. I really appreciate everyone for coming out tonight. And this is my 10th show since 2018. Yeah. I know many of you here know me in AUA, and I won't lie. When I entered that school, I didn't say I don't go drink because nothing funny that time. But then I want to use this medium to really appreciate everyone for coming out tonight, because this show, when I planned this show, actually, I say I want to get 3K, 10K. Now one guy tell me say, you are big. Set table, then go buy. I say how much? He say make I set table 100K. Then go buy. The guy not there yet today. Because this thing, it really eats everyone. But from the bottom of my heart, I want to really appreciate every one of you for coming out and listening to these jokes tonight. Please, a round of applause for yourselves. Now, before I have something I really want to say. My mom sent me this because when I told her I want to have a comedy show, she was like, she would do we don't buy. I want to come and tell Cause don't worry, you come and they no. So she sent me some words and I would like to share them with you guys if you don't mind. Can I? How much tickets the guy buy? The guy will talk no. Now you will not buy ticket. Trust fund, baby. All right. Now I would like to read the things she wrote here. The first point she made is that if you don't love yourself, you cannot love others. And you can't even love God. Because there are so many things youths today will never do. If you love yourself, you will not even do it. Some of you, the highest money that have entered your account, highest money that have entered your account since you started using bank is 100K. And you are having unprotected sex. Are you mad? Some of you are not mentioning names. Now why are you mentioning people's names? And she also said that if you love yourself, you will do what will make you happy tomorrow, today. She also said that don't indulge in crazy things that will damage you emotionally, spiritually, or physically. First class graduates, but then what I just feel is that you know, say everybody they laugh here. People get what they go through. But then you guys still came out for this show to laugh, to have a good time. So one thing I just want to say is that see, people who don't die, they get planned too. She get no kill yourself. I know I'm on love not a friend. But if you kill yourself, that one first. Number two, no they work out for night. You know, so Nigeria don't add now. Abuja to Lagos flight 150K. If you travel by bus, kidnap and carry you 50 million. You know, get some of now if they call your papa, say they kidnap you. You go ask where you day. Say you won't come to. Then nobody go drop one. Some of you are so wicked that if you get missing today, and they say we should contribute for you, so people will not drop 5 naira. So I just feel like saying that, and I want to use this medium to appreciate all my team members, SWG Entertainment team members. Please, you can come to the stage. You can come to the stage. Please jam your hands together for these guys. Jam your hands together for these guys. I said this show is the 10th show we are having in 4 years, and the first show we did was October 2018. So calculate it.